I will if you really want me.
Alright, you want to go one way or another? Want to get out of here? Yeah, you please. Back.